Hi, this is a walkthrough of a prototype I created in Figma. It's not a complete prototype, but it has select functionality I'm going to walk you through. This is a homepage for an app or a website that is related to laundry services. When you get to the home page, you have the ability to click a tutorial button on the top right. It brings up an overlay, which you can click through to understand how the app works. Once you log into the app, you'll see the ability to choose a laundry service. So you'll be able to scroll to see other laundry services that are available near you, and you can choose to request a service. And this is a list of the services that have been pulled from a Google Sheet to sync the data to the prototype. At the bottom, you have a fixed navigation bar to alternate between key activities in the app. At the moment you're on the services page, you have the ability to go to the profile page, which includes your details of where you stay, your payment details, etc. There's also a request services page, which I've shown you before, to choose the laundry service you want to choose, and then you have the ability to log out. Thank you.